Mastering Casual Friday, Men's Office Fashion. Title: Mastering Casual Friday, Men's Office Fashion. Introduction. Casual Friday, a cherished tradition in many workplaces, presents an opportunity for men to showcase their personal style while maintaining a professional appearance. However, navigating the fine line between casual and too laid-back can be a challenge. Understanding Casual Friday. While the intention behind Casual Friday is to foster a more relaxed and enjoyable work environment, it's important to remember that your appearance still matters. Know your company's dress code policy. Before diving into the world of casual fashion, it's crucial to understand your company's dress code policy. While some companies have relatively loose guidelines for Casual Friday, others may still require a more polished approach. Understanding your workplace's expectations will serve as the foundation for selecting appropriate attire. Building the foundation. Jeans. Jeans can be a staple for Casual Friday. However, it's important to choose the right pair that balances comfort and professionalism. Opt for dark, well-fitted jeans with a straight or slim cut. Avoid excessively distressed or faded jeans, as they tend to look too casual for the office environment. Pair your jeans with a classic belt to add a polished touch to your outfit. Shirting options. When it comes to shirts, opt for more casual alternatives that still maintain a level of sophistication. Polo shirts are a classic choice for Casual Friday, offering a balance between comfort and professionalism. Look for polo shirts in subdued colors like navy, black, or white, and avoid loud patterns or slogans. Pair your polo shirt with tailored chinos, ensuring trousers fit well without buying overly formal. If polo shirts aren't your preference, button-down shirts can also be a great choice. Opt for casual button-down shirts in lightweight fabrics like linen or cotton, as these materials provide breathability and comfort. Choose from a variety of colors and patterns, but avoid loud or flashy designs. Remember to keep the shirt tucked in for a put-together appearance. Layering with blazers and jackets. To elevate a casual outfit, consider layering with blazers or jackets. A well-tailored blazer instantly adds sophistication and polish to any ensemble, even when paired with jeans. Opt for darker colors such as navy or charcoal gray, and ensure the blazer fits properly. Avoid overly formal blazers that are too structured or made of heavy fabrics, as they may clash with the more relaxed vibe of Casual Friday. Lightweight jackets, such as cotton or linen sports jackets, can also be a stylish option for the office. They offer a more relaxed aesthetic while still maintaining a professional appearance. Pair Hesa jackets with tailored trousers or chinos for a well-balanced outfit. Footwear choices. Casual Friday calls for more relaxed footwear options, but it's essential to avoid flip-flops or sneakers unless permitted by your company's dress code policy. Instead, consider more refined alternatives such as loafers, boat shoes, or suede chukka boots. These options provide comfort while still looking sophisticated. Ensure your shoes are clean and well-maintained to complete your polished Casual Friday look. Accessories and grooming. Accessories can add personality and refinement to any outfit, including Casual Friday ensembles. Opt for a classic leather belt and a tasteful